Are you a business owner struggling to build a great team so you can scale? What skills does your next hire need? And how do you know if someone will be a good fit? Have you had too many mistakes, wasting time, losing money, and feeling frustrated? Have you resigned yourself to the belief that if you want it done right, heck, if you want it done at all, you just have to do it yourself? Yet the reality is that without a great team, your business can't grow. The good news, there is a system and a roadmap to building your very own high-performing team. In over 30 years of sharing my strategies with thousands of business owners just like you, I've seen teams transform quicker than anyone believed possible, time and time again. Like Jack, who came to me feeling ready to close his business for good. He was just too frustrated, and all the friction had him hiding in his office to get away from it all. But before he knew it, he had a more profitable business, was feeling empowered and enjoying his work again. Or Mary, who had a difficult time with team compliance and expectations, but with my strategies saw a 75% improvement in her business in the first week. So, if you're ready to build your team so you can scale your business, you absolutely need to jump into this free masterclass. The 7 keys to building your high-performing team with confidence. I'll be arming you with valuable, actionable strategies to implement immediately. Imagine what it would feel like to start this next chapter with a renewed hope, energy, and an aligned team on fire for your mission. Click to register today. Space is limited, and the first 20 registrants will get a special bonus from me, free. I look forward to seeing you there.